We began the first MBA program in Banaras Hindu University, and being the young person, actually, I was given the job that why don't you create the syllabi? So I took syllabi of Stanford, that Harvard, Yale, Columbia, Princeton's, and I was building the syllabi. And I was busy, so I couldn't go for the morning tea. So the professor came and he asked me that, भाई तुम दिखाई नहीं पड़ते हो आजकल, क्या क्या कर रहे हो? तुम क्या बताया गुरुजी बीएचयू में, तो गुरुजी का कॉन्सेप्ट है ना, गुरुजी मैं तो भंडारी साहब ने काम दे दिया, इस पर मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. ही टोल्ड मी समथिंग वेरी थिंग, बेटा तू कुछ भी सिलेबस बना ले, हम तो वही पढ़ाएंगे जो हमको आता है. आई एम सेइंग समथिंग वेरी फ्रैंकली टू माय एकेडमिक कम्युनिटी, हम तो कुछ भी टॉपिक दे दे हमको तो वही पढ़ाएंगे जो हमको आता है. आई थिंक दैट सिद्दीकी साहब, I think that you can take some kind of, again, whatever you did actually in MDI, in building the courses and those kind of things. I think that there is a need, and I think that we should do something about. And I would be also suggesting that National HRD Network, Subrat, and I think that maybe that UN Compact, they all are sitting here. They must join together on this issue and move collectively, because you find that this is India is a land of tribals. The tribals don't move together. One tribal is more busy in killing other tribals, that. So that's why when Siddiqui San, he took over actually as the president of National HRD Network, I suggested why not ISTD, why not NIPM, why not these institutions must come together and create a very powerful forum. But we are busy in creating forums, and we are beating our own drums. I am not without asking whether we are doing something great or not. You may think that I am becoming slightly critical, that. But I find that Chanakya, while advising the kings, he said one thing, that keep the critic around you. And once also it happened in Mahabharata, when Vidura was thrown out by Dhritarashtra, and the Bhisma, for the first time, he went and told Dhritarashtra, he always used to call him king, but that was the day he said, अरे मूर्ख, तुमको राजा किसने बनाया? एक तो सच बोलने वाला था, उसको भी निकाल बाहर कर दिया. I think that we should do self-examination. We should be self-critical. Every